Will home sales explode this spring? What do you think? I've got the answer for you coming up. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living on the Florida Suncoast, please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. That way you can be the first to know about the current market on or near Florida's West Coast beaches. Yeah, we upload 3 new videos every week. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in Clearwater. We love the Suncoast, have over 20 years experience buying and selling from Sarasota to Clearwater and everything in between. Now, back to our question. Will home sales explode this spring? Here's something you may not know. Spring is the peak home buying season in almost every part of the country every year. And if you're about to buy or sell a home, here's what you can expect. First, this is the time of year when more sellers will list their homes, giving you more options for your move. Second, more people will buy, which means more competition. That's why the homes that do come onto the market usually aren't going to stick around for long and may get multiple offers if priced right. I call that the sweet spot. Basically, things may start moving fast and you'll want to expect that so you can keep up. Let's connect so I can give you the advice you need to get ready and make your move happen. I'll share my 5 different valuation models so we can find your sweet spot if you're selling and you can get your best deal. Remember to subscribe to the channel below. I'll share with you the best kept secrets of the beaches along the Florida Suncoast. You'll definitely not want to miss those either. You can see homes for sale right now at MrBeachHouse.com or call me, of course, anytime, 855-MR-BEACH. And if you want to sell, get a quick home value estimate. It's fast, it's free, and it's really easy at whatismyhomereallyworth.com.